Boli and Palpayasam is the best combination dessert of Kerala, which is normally served during sadya. And when you are in Trivandrum in Kerala, never miss to try hot, yummy bolis off the tawa at Maha-boli. Maha-boli is situated at the heart of Trivandrum city on the crowded Palpayasam road in Paravangadi. This is a very busy place during peak times and service is very fast. It's a nice place to get snack items, especially to enjoy Kerala taste. You can get Palpayasam, gulab jamun, a variety of haluwas, neyyapam, badusha, laddu, jalebi and sukiyan in addition to bolis and Palpayasam. Please note that there is no parking available. There is a pay and park near Tagraparam Road. You can park your vehicle there and a short walk from there will lead you to this place. The highlight of this place is customers can watch bolis being made. The maida dough is soaked in gingerly oil and kept aside for some time so that it turns out to be soft and smooth. The stuffing inside the boli is chana dal, known as kadalaparipu in Malayalam. This is grounded into a fine paste after it has been cooked well and sorted with sugar. To this, they also add cardamom powder and nutmeg, which is the main item. Balls of the ground mix is put into the maida rounds, covers it, rolls it out into a perfectly round bolis and fries it on the tawa. They make sure that the bolis are not overcooked. A generous amount of ghee is sprinkled on the bolis, giving an extra taste. The process is repeated with an amazing speed that the tray kept near him is stacked with bolis in no time. Staff are very friendly, polite and courteous. They make almost 2,500 bolis per day and this number increases during festive season.
കണ്ടോ നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
സോഫ്റ്റ് ടേസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്.
Offering perfectly cooked Palpayasam and bolis is the hallmark of this place. Poli and Palpayasam from this place is a heavenly combination. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, bye.